Hello children, Irina Singh, computer teacher. Welcome back to the online classes. Children, today we are going to study lesson 2. The name of lesson 2 is working of a computer. Children, in this lesson we will know how does a computer work. So let's start chapter 2, working of a computer. Now children, let's start lesson 2, working of a computer. Children, you know very well, a computer cannot work on its own. It needs humans' order to do work. So a computer cannot work on its own. We need to enter letters, numbers and instructions into the computer to work on it. This is called data. A computer works on 3 basic steps. Children, letters, numbers and pictures. Whatever we enter into the computer, that are data. Now here given 3 steps on which a computer works. See, first step is input, second is process and third is output. Children, in input, whatever we enter like letters, numbers and pictures that are entering into the computer are called input. Okay, and after entering, CPU store all data and it works on data, that is process. After processing we get final result, that is output. Now children, here given some examples to understand input, process, output. So see first example, here given blunt pencil, it is input. Blunt pencil is input. Blunt pencil into the sharpener. We put into the sharpener and in the sharpener working is going on, that is process. After working we get sharp pencil and sharp pencil is output. Now see second example. See children, dirty clothes. Dirty clothes are input. When we put dirty clothes in the washing machine and in the washing machine working is going on the dirty clothes. After working we get clean clothes, that are output. Now see another example to understand this concept input, process, output. See children, let us understand this concept with the parts of our body. Our eyes and ears work as the input unit through which we see and hear. Our brain works similar to the CPU. It stores everything and gives orders to the different parts of the body. We respond through our mouth. So mouth is an output unit. Now listen children, if your teacher asks some question, you see with your eyes and listen with your ears. And after listening or seeing, your brain store all data. Your brain store all questions and in your brain thinking is going on, processing is going on, and after thinking you give result with your mouth. So your brain works like a CPU and your mouth like a output unit. Now turn your page. See children, this input. When we enter data and instructions into the computer, children, do you know data and instructions? Letters, numbers, symbols, pictures are data and instructions. Whenever we enter into the computer, it is called input. We generally input data through keyboard and mouse. And after entering, CPU works on data. So see next process. When a computer works on the data, it is called processing. In simple, working on data, it is called processing. The CPU acts on data to solve problems and gives the correct result. See children, CPU solve all the problems and give the correct result always. And next process is output. Output means the final result. After processing, we get final result, that is output. Monitor. When a computer finishes the processing, we get the result. Monitor and printer are the most common output devices. Let us understand the working of a computer with the given example. See children, if we enter 2, 3 plus, that is input, and the data and instructions together is the input. Here 2 and 3 is data and plus is the instructions. Now the computer will work on data according to the instructions, that is it will add the numbers 2 and 3, and after processing we get result. Here 5 is the result or output of the sum 2 plus 3. Now children, come to the book exercise. Question number A. Fill in the blanks using the words given in the hints box. 1. The data that we enter into the computer is known as input. Input, I-N-P-U-T. Second, output, O-U-T-P-U-T. Output is the result given by a computer. Third is input for a mango shake is mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango. Sugar, S-U-G-A-R, and milk, M-I-L-K. And fourth is we enter data, D-A-T-A, data, and instructions, I-N-S-T-R-U-C-T-I-O-N-S, instructions into the computer. And fifth one is data can be letters, numbers, words, and pictures. Now come to the question number B. Write true or false. 1. Data typed into a computer is called output. It is false. So write here F. Second, a computer is a machine. It is correct. So write here true. Third is when a computer works on data, the data, it is called processing. It is true. So write here true. Now fourth one, we get input from the computer. Children, it is wrong sentence. So write here false, F. Now come to the question number C. Tick the best answer. Question 1. Which part of a computer does all the calculations? Answer is CPU. So tick the CPU option. 2. What are the data and instruction together known as? Answer is input. So tick the input option. Now third is which part of a computer works like a human brain? Answer is CPU. So tick the CPU option. Now turn your page. Now children, this question, my activity, homework, you have to do this. Now take your copy and start copy work. So children, first of all, you have to make 2-line headline and write lesson 2, lesson name, working of a computer, date, and mention class work. After headline, you leave 1 line, then start difficult words. Children, there are 8 words in this lesson. So first word is data, D-A-T-A, data. Children, you have to write 4 times to each word. Second word is instructions, I-N-S-T-R-U-C-T-I-O-N-S. Third is input, I-N-P-U-T. And fourth is process, P-R-O-C-E-S-S. Now children, in the front of this page, you have to draw IPO cycle. Input, process, output. A computer works on 3 basic steps: input, process, output. You have to draw and color also. And write data and instruction into the input, working on data in process, and final result in output. Now turn your page and write 5th word, output, O-U-T-P-U-T, output. 6th word is through, T-H-R-O-U-G-S, through. Seventh word is finishes, F-I-N-I-S-H-E-S. And eighth word is common, C-O-M-M-O-N, common. Now turn your page, come to the question answer. And first of all, you have to make one single headline, one line headline, and write lesson 2 classwork and mention date also, and write question answer. So write question number 1. Write the 3-step process on which a computer works. Answer: input, process, output. Now leave one line, then start question number 2. Which part of a computer works on data to give the output? Put question mark. Answer: the CPU works on data to give the output. Now turn your page and write question number 3. Name the term used for the final result that we get after processing. Answer: output is the final result that we get after processing. Then again leave one line. Write question number 4. Which part of a computer displays the output? Put question mark. Answer: monitor displays the output. Leave one line again and write question number 5. It is last question. Which device is used to enter data into a computer? Put question mark. And answer is keyboard and mouse are used to enter data into a computer. Now put full stop. So children, copy work is over. Thank you everyone.